Thank you. Can you know how many more speakers we have? Can we have?
One more. One more.
Priya.
He has already a Toastmaster.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Toastmaster Priya. The early bird catches the worm. The early bird catches the worm. Toastmaster Priya.
Happy morning, all.
Happy morning.
I think the early bird catches the worm. I was preparing how I have to, because let me start this with my nickname which I had in college, which was called the early bird. And I was called the early bird not because I come very early for the first period. Usually, on 2 days we used to have colleges start at 8:40. I will always be late. I try to come for 8:40, but I reach there by 8:45 or 8:50. But people who come a little late, they go to canteen, they come to the next period. But what I do is, I make sure that I enter at whatever time that I come to class. So what they will say is you are always early for the second period. So other people, they come just on time, but you are a person who come too early for the next period. So because of that reason, they started calling me as early bird. So somehow it got stuck in me. So when they say early bird catches the worm, what does it mean? When you come early, you have the option to choose the best. So it is you come late, say for example, if they are giving some giveaways or something, you are going to come first. You will be able to pick something which is available the best. One example for that would be when there is a role player nomination which is being picked up. Somewhere you feel that you have to take up some topic which has to. So always when you come early, you will have more choices which you can pick. If you are going to show up late, you don't have a choice. You have to pick the one that is available for you. One more example could be, if at all I want to sit at the last bench, if at all I want to sit in the, then I have to come early. If I'm going to come at last, then I don't have a choice other than sitting in the front. So this is one small example which came on me. It is it's not that there is no difference between sitting at the back or sitting at the front. But if you feel you have a preference, if you step up early, you will always have a choice where you can enjoy and be